Hey y'all, this is the BDB. Say hi to the peeps, birthday boy.
Hi.
We just say like a BDB.
Yeah.
When I can't find words, everything. No go son not names up. Oh BDB.
Yeah. This little lad in the back is a whopping 14 years old today. Can you all believe? That little jit. It's so small, but has a very, very, very big attitude and a big heart.
Seatbelt.
Yeah. Yeah, so it's a Monday, but you know, we gotta, you know, try enjoy the day, even though it's Monday, not the most hip day of all. But yeah, so we're kind of heading to check out a new spot that we've never checked out before. So if it don't go well, blame him. Here, Joshy. If the birthday don't turn out well, blame the driver. But yeah, it's a nice little, based on what I saw online, it seems to be a nice little ambiance. Hopefully the food is just as good as the ambiance, but I'm an ambiance girl. Ow. Yeah.
What an hour for?
I'll take it.
What an hour for?
No, I said I'll take.
Oh.
Yeah, I'll take ambiance over food, over taste. What do you all think? Do you prefer great tasting food at a blah place, or you prefer a nice ambiance and the food not being all that? But yeah.
Me prefer food.
Yeah, I prefer food, but we're gonna check it out. And
I'm very critical because I cook at the house. So whenever I go out, I'm starting to be very critical. If it not cook good for the suit, me I go war. The truth, that's the truth.
Yeah, and the dilemma is it's the quality is much leaves much to be desired these days. So yeah, it's just a chance you have to take when you're going out these days. But just make the best of it. Whatever the outcome of the food, you just make the best of the situation, isn't it? So it's all about the birthday boy, the BDB in the back.
Hi.
So we're right here at the Juniper on the water, and so far the place is not bad. It's on Ocean Drive in Hallandale, and you pretty much, once you have the address, you just turn in, and it's right by the large buildings, valet parking, and head towards the restaurant. I think it's a nice, well, ambiance wise, it's a nice little place. They have a little mini golf area right here. Yeah, mini golf area right there. And the wifey went ahead to secure our focus. Yeah. All right, so what's the story?
Yeah, they're ready for.
Okay. I said, we are right on the intercoastal, and that you're looking at the Hallandale Beach bridge right there, and some shots of the local area. Trying to negotiate our way through the menu and through, you know, the different offers that they have. They brought us garlic bread, guys, and this is awesome. They have a little olive oil here with Mediterranean seasonings, and you just take your bread and dip in and enjoy. Their menus, the menu is relatively decent. The prices are good. Looking at the neighborhood, the location, they give you a very, very good menu. You know, relatively comfortable prices. The rest is just up to the taste, I guess. Yeah. So.
Okay. Any questions? Good. Still looking at it?
What is surf and turf?
Is the leanest, cleanest steak with lobster and any side of your choice.
Yes.
If you need more time, I have plenty of time today. No problem. Let me know. Polenta is a corn cake and asparagus. It's good. So it's really
Oh, it's a cake. It's not like.
No. A cake is a little cake on the bottom. The polenta is, but the browns go on top of the little cake.
What drink is good?
I have orange, cranberry, pineapple, grapefruit juice, Coke, diet, lemonade, ginger ale.
Can I get ginger ale?
Ginger ale? Yep.
You know what you want, yeah?
What is good out of this the skirt steak
Skirt steak.
Or
the pasta?
there are two different things. Pasta pesto is a pasta that is made with parsley and garlic.
I know pesto, right? The green thing that I like.
Green, yeah. It's a little heavy. Skirt steak is a very thin and long steak that comes with fries. It's two
Is the
different.
burger good?
The burger is also good. As a third choice, I would go there.
You want to try the burger or the skirt steak? I know you don't want the
I
pasta.
have plenty of time. No problem.
Come back.
dinner just arrived. Yeah, the little boy decided that he wanted some burgers. He wanted a Juniper burger. Focus, focus, focus. And it's awesome. Nice burger. Came with fries. I think that's the truffle fries maybe. And little ketchup on the side. And the wifey decided that she wanted polenta with fish fillet. That's awesome. Nice. Look good. Look good. Polenta look very nice. So yeah, guys, the food smells awesome, and can get ready to dig in. So let's see what happens. Let's get the reviews afterwards.
I'm sure you know.
Recommend that or the season day on the
Tastes like mashed potatoes.
Maybe if you taste mine, you want to order it instead, babe. You know?
A lot of blessings for you, my friend. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Blow it. Woo. Yeah, after 2.
Yay! Snapchat!
Let go.
Are you 1? Are you 2? Are you 3? Are you 4? This boy is tough. He's crazy.
Thank you for wishing me happy birthday. And thank you, Auntie Debbie and Audrey. And
You born it? Yeah, big boy born.
Why I'm boring like that? Oh, you're so boring. The people them you can't hear your voice.
what am I supposed to say?
To say it loud.
Thank you for saying happy birthday.
I'm black and proud.
I'm what?
I'm black and I'm proud. Say it loud. Come on.
Hey, Curie. Thanks so much, man. Have a good night.
Thank you.
Okay?
It's been a pleasure. Thank you.
Okay. So all in all, it was a good experience. We totally enjoy this place. We dig it, and we're gonna try our best to come back again. Yeah, man, if you catch the shoes for the vlog, do it for the vlog. Do it for the vlog. Atiana, Atiana, Atiana. All right, gonna come. Let's go.
Wait a minute, Claire.
Awesome place, guys. Definitely must try. That's Juniper on the water. Yes, in Hallandale Beach, South Florida. Peace out.